Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.8, Problem 8. This is Section 2.8, Problem number 8. It says complete the computation, and we have 3/4 minus 5/8. So problems like this, I prefer writing vertically. They can be completed in their horizontal format the way they're written, but I like to do it vertically better. So let me rewrite the problem. I'll have 3/4, and underneath it I'll put 5/8, and it's a subtraction, so we'll keep it a subtraction. Now we want to find a denominator that is the same for both fractions, and in this case 8 works very nicely. 8 divides into 8 evenly. 4 also divides into 8 evenly, so that makes it a very good common denominator. So I'll make both fractions some value over 8. Now, for the upper fraction, that 3/4, what's my new numerator going to be? Well, look at the denominators. 4 times some value turned into an 8. That some value must be a 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So the numerator gets multiplied times the same value, times 2. So 3 times 2 will make a 6. So 3/4 has an equivalent fraction of 6/8. Now, for the lower fraction, the denominator didn't need to change, so that means the numerator doesn't need to change either. The denominator stayed 8, the numerator was 5, so it can just stay 5. So I have the same denominator for both fractions now. So the denominator in my result will be 8, what that common denominator is, and I can combine the numerators. 6 is a subtraction problem, so 6 minus 5 is 1. I have 1/8, and you ordinarily do have to ask yourself, can I reduce that? Well, 1/8 does not reduce. When the numerator is 1, there's not much you can do. So the final answer is 1/8.